Hey SketchUp designers, stop scrolling. This is your moment. If you've ever dreamed of designing cabinets effortlessly and saving hours of work, I've got big news for you. ML Kitchens, the ultimate SketchUp extension for cabinet design, is now available at an insane 50% off. Yes, half price, but only for a limited time. From fully custom cabinet creation to dynamic real-time previews to saving and managing your own cabinet library, ML Kitchens is the go-to tool for SketchUp users who want speed, flexibility, and professional results. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this extension will change the way you work. But here's the deal. Use the code LOYAL50 at checkout and instantly get 50% off. But this offer won't last forever. Once it's gone, it's gone. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your workflow, now's the time. This is your chance to grab ML Kitchens at its lowest price ever. Build completely custom cabinets. Save your designs for future projects. Generate automatic invoices. Interact with your cabinets directly in SketchUp and so much more. Don't miss out. This is your early bird moment. Show your support, grab the tool, and take your kitchen designs to the next level. Click the link in the description, enter the code LOYAL50, and start designing smarter, faster, better. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If you like deals like this and want more SketchUp tips, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Go grab that discount before it's too late. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.